The safety of your passengers is your number one concern. At Qstraint, it's our number one concern as well. The video you're about to view will show you the proper way to use your QRT so that your passengers feel totally secure and safe while riding with you. A complete wheelchair and occupant restraint system, the QRT system will exceed your expectations for ease of use, speed, endurance, and efficiency. The QRT is available in two models, the QRT and the QRT Deluxe. The features of the QRT Deluxe include automatic retractors that roll out freely, self-tensioning and self-locking retractors, which can be used in any location, front, left, rear, or right, dual knobs for universality, speed J-hook for ease of use, which fits most chairs, retractors which mount at the proper angle, which is the preferred method, and they swivel to accommodate chairs of various widths. The features of the QRT include interchangeable belts, which can be used in front, rear, left, or right, speed J-hook, and a hard cover. The QRT can be used with multiple mounting options such as L-track, floor pocket, A-track, and slider tracks. The QRT Deluxe can also be mounted on various seating arrangements such as American seating barriers, seats, and the arm. Qstraint offers a variety of occupant restraint systems. Our products have been crash tested on L-tracks and floor pockets, and they meet or exceed these standards. Let's look at how easy the QRT system is to use. You should have your equipment ready before you bring in your passengers. You'll need 4 retractors per wheelchair, 1 lap and 1 shoulder belt, or the shoulder-lap belt combo. When getting ready to use the equipment, check for the following. All retractors and belts are in good working order. Belts show no evidence of defects such as cuts or fraying. All floor anchors are clear of dirt and debris. The vehicle is equipped with a belt cutter in the event of an emergency evacuation. Always make sure your equipment is in good working condition and report any problems to your supervisor. The QRT allows the operator to secure the chair beginning with either the rear or front of the chair. Secure the wheelchair with a speed J-hook to a solid frame member as close as possible to the seat cushion. Do not attach to removable armrests or footrests. The belt should be at approximately a 45-degree angle. Qstraint also offers an optional quick strap, which allows you to loop around a strong frame member when the hook does not attach easily. Once all 4 retractable belts are in place, move the wheelchair back and forth or use the knobs to ensure maximum tension on the retractors. Put on the brake and turn off the power on an electric wheelchair. On the QRT, use a similar procedure. However, you need to press down the lever to release or retract the belt. You must use the knob to apply maximum tension. Once again, let's review securing the chair. Put the wheelchair into position. Secure the chair starting from either the front or rear. Install the speed J-hook to a solid frame member as close as possible to the chair cushion. All tie-down belts should be at approximately a 45-degree angle. Move the chair back and forth to increase the tension. Put on the brake and switch the power off on an electric wheelchair. In securing your passenger, make sure that the lap belts are always placed around the passenger's pelvic area and the shoulder belt lies across the midpoint of the passenger's shoulder. Using the fixed lap and shoulder belt, first pass both ends of the lap belt around the passenger's pelvic area and attach to the pins on the retractors. The lap belt should pass through the gap between the side panels and the seat. Never put the belt over the armrest. Snug the belt firmly but comfortably. Next, bring the shoulder belt around the passenger. Attach the end of the shoulder belt to the pin on the lap belt buckle. Attach the end of the retractable lap shoulder belt to the pin connector on the rear retractor closest to the wall of the vehicle. Attach the male end of the occupant buckle. Bring the belt around the passenger. Attach the other end of the lap shoulder belt to the rear retractor and pull the belt snug. When positioned and adjusted correctly, the lap belt should be low across the abdomen and the shoulder belt should lie across the midpoint of the shoulder. Attach the end of the fully retractable lap shoulder belt to the pin connector on the rear retractor closest to the wall of the vehicle. Next, pull the female buckle strap from the retractor. Bring the male buckle around the passenger and connect to the female buckle. Guide the buckle toward the passenger's hip. It will automatically provide the correct amount of tension. If your vehicle is equipped with height adjusters, simply adjust the shoulder belt to the proper height to accommodate your passenger. To remove the occupant restraints, unbuckle the lap belt, release it from the pin connectors, and store the belt away. Remove the tie down. To release the retractors, simply press down on the lever located at the back of the retractor or on the barrier. Remove the hooks from the chair and retract the belts all the way into the retractors in preparation for next time use. If the belts are not retracted fully, they will not be automatic. Like all Q-Strength systems, the QRT is designed and built to require a minimum of maintenance and to remain operational for many years. Only simple, routine maintenance is required. Under normal circumstances, no lubrication is required for the retractors. Occasional adjustment may be necessary for the mounting hardware. Inspect your belts regularly. When using and storing, always avoid twisting the belts. To prevent contamination, don't leave belts on the floor. If the belts become soiled, wash them with a solution of mild soap and water and leave them extended until dry. Floor pockets and tracks should be cleaned routinely to prevent a buildup of debris which could interfere with proper operation of the retractor fittings. Replace defective belts. Replace belts if involved in an accident. Report any loose fasteners. And remember, consult with your supervisor if you have questions or need assistance. Following the methods and suggestions in this video will help keep your QRT system operating properly for years to come. And more importantly, QRT will keep your passengers safe. And safety is our #1 concern.